You're gonna remove 6 21mm lug nuts off this thing, and then you're gonna kick the crap out of it. Listen to this noise this thing makes when I pull it off, man. It's real gushy. The tie rod is also a 21. The ball joint is, you guessed it, a 21. Now consult your wife while also pricing a new part.
We'll take that. Okay, so what's wrong with it?
Well, it's not that it's spinning around in circles. You can hold it with pliers and stuff. It literally just won't go any farther down.
This?
There's no, yeah.
How do you know?
How do I know? I've been messing with her 20 minutes.
No, you didn't do it right. Pull it, pull it, pull. Push this way
Towards me. Crazy if you got that off.
Yeah, you do it? This way then.
Yeah, it's fine. It's still fine. You can go.
No, it's not. It's holding it.
It's fine.
But I can't this way you do it. Oh, it's dirty. It's doing good work.
It's fine.
Do it again. I want to start from back there.
It's all the effort.
Duh, what you think this is? You gotta tuck your tail between your legs and walk back to the garage.
Spent $100 on a new one.
You can do it. You just don't want me to do it. Okay, now can I do it now?
It's an 18mm, and it's about time to invest in a side impact. The bolt is a 27, the nut is a 30. Oh yeah. Shock top. You got 3 15mm bolts up here. Break them loose with the breaker bar and then go in with regular 3/8 ratchet. If anyone's curious about the paint, that's Eastwood's Rust Encapsulator and just high gloss Rust-Oleum. Get in there. It's 3 15mm nuts on top. just grabbing the bottom with a pair of vice grips, and for a second I forgot that you don't have to use the box end of a wrench. Suspension parts like to be loaded when you tighten them down, so give her a load. I'm working top down, but skipping the ball joint. I'm going to save it for last. Torque specs on all this stuff is whatever I felt like was good enough. If you managed not to cut your ball joint in half, you wouldn't have to tighten down the control arm. It'd already be tight. The wrench I'm using on top there is a 10mm. It doesn't really fit right though, and it got stuck. NASCAR sound. I didn't show the tire rod in the video, but don't you forget about that guy. You have a wobbly wheel.